pare. This is heaven.
I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side.
Grabe, oh.
And I don't wanna wait, love, cause you're keeping me alive. We will love till the end of time. We'll live even when we die.
Sobra to. Look for this building.
Top secret.
Sorry guys. Actually, pumunta ka dito to have inspiration, to learn something new.
Cause I know that I'll always be the one for you.
Wait guys, there's more.
And we fall hard, yeah we fall fast. Got a few scars.
Naka-blur ba ako?
Yan. Tas yan. Balik ulit. Yan.
Naghanap nga kami ng mga blurred dito.
Let's go. So right now guys, nandito tayo sa May Bara. Sobrang ganda dito insan. Sobrang ganda. Ayoko na mo eh. Galit sa asawa ko. That's the Gion Japan guys. Nishikawa. So ngayon, sasakay tayo sa Super Grand Via sa Pilipinas. Grand Via dito sa Japan.
We are here with Nishikawa from Gion Japan. Big shop, big warehouse.
Ignorante. Yeah, good. It's good.
Yung mukha mo kasi.
It's yummy. So, let's try the pusit. It's yummy, guys.
I don't eat vegetables, pero I like it.
So guys, let's try the legit eel. Sarap po.
Masarap, di ba?
Dapat dinala mo yung birth certificate ko eh.
Bakit?
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko eh. Sobrang sarap guys. Sobrang sarap.
Never ko pa narinig yun eh.
Kaya lang yun ang linyahan.
Charan! Walang laman.
Natapon yung akin eh. Sayang. Ano, di ba? Authentic na authentic.
Supo nga, boss.
Hindi ko pa bigay yung kuhain po na. Bayad pa ako. At guys, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pangalan ng restaurant.
At kung nasan tayo?
At kung, hindi, nasa Shiga tayo. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng restaurant. Pero it's over 100 years old na raw. It's a family business. Kaya ayoko maubos yung kinakain ko eh.
Punta kayo dito.
Tayo doon. Hanapin nyo na lang itong building. Hindi ko alam. I-Google Translate nyo na lang yung pangalan ng restaurant.
This is number 1. JDM Eel guys. Approved! As you can see, Uwo You.
Ano yun?
You know. That's the Uwo You.
What night? Uoyo. Ayun.
Uoyo.
Tama ka nga.
Uwo You.
It's a top secret. He said top
Okay.
secret.
When you go here at Shiga guys, look for this building.
Top secret.
Sorry guys.
Tayo lang.
Just for us.
Salamat po.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Grabe, sobrang linis. Wala akong masabi. Super ganda. Minegos nila ang daan. Tignan mo naman daan insan. So right now guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Gion Japan.
First one in the whole world na ginaya natin sa Pilipinas. We have here the owner and our friend Nishikawa. He will give us a tour. So our friend Nishikawa is going to tour us around his Gion detailing concept. This is the showroom. The new products are displayed. I see you have the new bottles already. This place has been open for how long?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
When you built the Gion detailing concept, was it in coordination with Gion? You were already...
Yes.
Were they involved in the development?
Gion check. Okay, but
Change
They
that.
changed their plans?
yes.
Okay.
first time Gion concept name
Uh-huh.
is Gion Detailing Studio. Alex?
Ale.
No. No.
This is the sample. This is coated and
Not coated.
not coated. Big difference, guys. They have a merch
So yeah,
here.
the Gion merchandise. Here we have the working bay. Maximum 2 cars? 2 cars.
2 cars.
2 cars. Makikita ko yung
This is
lifter.
the lifter, guys. Guys, it's legit.
Shinare sa amin ni Nishikawa yung price. Ang price nito is the same price
NC 300.
si 300.
Parang mas maganda na naging jack.
So pagka mga 7 series, mga longer cars,
Yes.
it extends.
This design is by approval by the Gion headquarters.
Gion headquarters.
Hindi basta-basta magtayo ng ganitong shop.
Tsaka tingnan nyo, ang linis ng shop. Kayo, drive clean, mahiya naman kayo. Ang dumi ng shop nyo, ang daming blades sa sahig. Guys, this is a custom-made push cart for the tools. Very impressive yung facility. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung softening system nila. As you can see, may sariling kwarto. Tapos, yun yung compressor nila, yung water softener nila.
Magandang nakakapasyal tayo sa ganitong mga shop. Nakikita natin yung things to improve sa natin. Kasi tingin natin okay na eh. Maganda na compare sa other shop. Pero pag nakapunta ka sa ibang lugar,
Marami ka pa palang
grabe.
guys.
To think guys, isang tao lang nagbabantay nito.
Oh, siyang number 1 detailer in Shiga. He's the one in charge here sa Gion Detailing Concept. Siya rin yung gumagawa ng cars. Ito, 840i.
Base 1, top 1, base 1, top coat 2, matching test.
Okay. Pero yung test panel nila, 2 years na rin dito, hindi masyadong nadumi. Sa atin baka iba na kulay.
Overnight lang, mas masahol pa dito eh.
Guys, gano'n ka tight yan? Ang taas ng contact angle niyan. More than 100.
Whoop.
Oh!
Panis.
So there you have it. Nakita niyo na yung shop nila. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang
yung shop
ganda.
lang, may isa pang shop. Pero ito yung Gion Detailing Concept. Punta kami ngayon sa office niya. Kasi marami pa siya ibang businesses eh.
So follow nyo guys, Gion Quartz Japan. Gion Daichi.
Follow nyo. Siya lang gumagawa dito.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope to see
Thank
you
you.
soon again.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Tara, punta tayo sa trabaho niya dahil pa niya ibang businesses eh. Big time.
Pare, this is heaven.
Panis yung weed. Legit. You like BMW? M8 competition, guys. Panis, wala tayo niyan sa Pilipinas. Ata, di ko alam. I saw an M8 but it's only 2-door eh. May 2-door akong M8 nakita.
Wait guys, there's more. Kaya sometimes ang sarap mag-travel kasi ang dami mong nakikitang mga rare na auto, ganyan.
The new one.
Yes.
May M2 rin ba siya, guys? Panis. 10 million yen.
10 million, yes.
Have you tried install PPF?
No.
This car give me problems. I did one already. Bulk install, not computer. Give me nightmares. Especially rear bumper.
Okay.
Yun yung gusto niyang yabang doon.
Ilan ba property nito? Boss, ba't parang layo na pupunta
Pero
na?
tayo sa susunod yung property. Lahat ng kotse na yung kanya. Pero pangbenta. Parang siyang successful version ni Mark Marcaida. Sabi ko, idol ko siya. Parang ikaw siya.
Pag ako boss, naging successful, buyo ka sa akin. Sobra to.
Garahe pala siya.
This
This one.
makes you feel young.
How many girlfriends? Kaya ako hindi bumibili ng gantong kotse, mahirap lumabas siya pumasok.
Yun lang yung rason.
Yun yung rason.
Grabe oh.
Binangga din siya. GTR din yung nasa likod doon.
GTR din ang bumangga oh. Saddle to stop.
Nakaka-depress naman tong trip natin.
So guys, yung mga ganitong mga nakakausap natin, inspiration natin to sa buhay. Sooner or later, kailangan natin mag-illegal. Di ba rin? Sobrang down-turn pa rin nila. To think na sobrang yaman nila. Pero how they welcome guests dito sa Japan, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kaya laging number 1 sa puso natin, Japan.
You want donation? You're selling that?
Yeah. Your gift for you.
Whoa! I don't believe it's too good to be true.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You're gonna make him cry.
Do you want?
Do I want?
Do you want?
I'm getting scared. But what do you?
Do you want 488 Ferrari?
To have one?
Do you want? No buy.
No buy?
Oh. Do you want? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I gift for you. Bump.
Hindi, gigift daw niya sa akin, pero bumper lang. Wala, nagparing ako dun.
Akala ko magkaka-Ferrari na ako.
Nag-isip na ako agad. Sino bang konta ko sa customs?
Your good friend. I gift for you.
No.
Thank you.
So kinabahan si Boss Tris doon. Nawala yung yabang ng Pinoy.
Tumataas yung heart rate ko dito eh.
Yeah, let's go. Punk rock and Cobain is how we grew up. K-rock was insane, I was such a screw up.
Guys, inaalok niya akong gawin niya McLaren niya na 765. Pag-isipan ko, sabi ko, hindi natin, pero very, very interested ako. Kasi sabi niya, narinig daw niya, ako daw ang #1 installer sa Pilipinas.
Kanino niya narinig?
Sa akin din.
So, grabe tong shop ni Boss. Office AZ.
Nakaka-insecure eh, nakakalungkot.
Tinanong kami, ilang kotse nyo? Isa, tatlo. I have 7 cars. Yung pala 7 quality cars. Grabe yun!
7 supercars.
Saan tayo punta?
Kyoto! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yeah, take it all back for you. I've been beating up black and blue. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back, that's the truth. Yeah, I know what I have to do.
Kala ko nasa Australia na ako kanina. So right now guys, nasa Kyoto na tayo. Ngayong trip na to, ang dami nating nabangan na project.
Or here.
Solid guys, sarap. 4 days na kami nagiinom. Sarap talaga pag may kasama kang locals sa mga ganitong ano, no? Napupuntahan mo yung mga hidden gem. Like ganito, mga ganito. Cheers guys!
Very, very thankful dito sa bagong best friend. Muntik
Wow,
na
me too. That's my best friend.
Muntik na magkaroon ng 480 Ferrari na bumper. Ishikawa, thank you, thank you. If you visit Manila, let's go.
So right now guys, next day na naman. No, we're heading back to Osaka. Sobrang in-enjoy na lang namin yung gabi. Iba pa lang dito, ang food. Course meal. Hanggang dito lang yung hindi umabot sa tiyan.
Nainip ka eh.
Anyway, it's a free day. So let's go.
I know it never comes easy. Believe me, I need someone I can trust worth keeping. It never comes easy. Believe me, believe me. And when my soul came crashing down, you fell in my life somehow. I want you by my side.
We're here at Arashiyama. Yun yung nabasa ko dun. Ganda rin dito, probinsya.
I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side.
Kanina hindi yan tumatako. Oh.
I don't wanna wait, love, cause you're keeping me alive.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sushi. Hindi na naman tayo makakain ng sushi. Hanap na naman tayo ng curry.
First time.
Let's try. Masarap pero hindi ako fan.
I don't wanna wake up if you're not by my side. They'll have to take us to the afterlife. And I need you, you can save me. I will bleed through if you betray betray me, 'cause I know that I'll always be the one for you. And we fall hard, yeah we fall fast. Got a few scars from our old past, but I know that I'll always be the one for you. I'll always be the one for you.
Thank you for everything. Okay. We'll see you. Yes. Thank you, big brother.
Yeah. See you.
That's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We see each other very, very soon.
Okay.
Maybe soon, maybe. I hope. Let's work on your McLaren.
Okay.
Very soon.
Next month or May.
Again, thank you so much. It really means so much. Thank you for your
See you soon.
Japanese hospitality.
Yes. No.
You wait for our Filipino hospitality. Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good trip.
Okay, thank you.
Don't
Again,
Bye.
Okay, goodbye.
I will miss you.
So guys, this is our last night here in Japan. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kalokohan namin. Kain, food trip, and we visit mga shops. First, yung Kyocera. Second, yung Gion Japan. Grabe yung mga nila, food nila. Ano bang nagustuhan niyo sa sa Japan?
Ano bang hindi ko nagustuhan dito?
Lahat gusto.
Kalsada,
Kulang na lang tumira dito.
transpo, weather, pagkain.
Siyempre, weather,
Food.
pagkain, tao. Pero ang pinaka-mamimiss ko yung kubeta.
At saka yung mga tao na nag-welcome sa atin. Iba yung iba yung Japanese hospitality. Pero ito lang masabi ko guys, loyal sila sa trabaho.
Para sa ekonomiya daw yun.
Okay.
Kaya nga ako parang feeling ko talaga Japanese at heart ako eh. Pero
This will end our vlog. Follow Drive Clean PH,
Gion Philippines,
Gion Philippines,
Gion Quartz Japan,
Gion Japan,
Kyocera, Philippines.
Kyocera Philippines. Shoutout na sa mga lahat.
Primo Cafe.
Yan,
Primo Cafe.
Actually, pumunta ka dito para to have inspiration, to learn something new. Usually, ang mata lang natin nakaganon eh. Pero tignan mo, pagpunta natin sa kanila, pucha, yung sales ng tuwalya lang nila, 60% na ng total sales ng sila kasi 8 years na ahead. Tayo, nasa 3 years pa lang. Meron tayong ini-aim. Hindi sa pagiging inggit eh, kumbaga inspired to work more.
Something, goals nga. Sabi nga nila, di ba, goals.
At pala tayo, we were lucky kasi yung si Nishikawa was very open sa amin sa figures niya, sa marketing.
Hindi katulad ng iba na parang,
yung iba, madali lang yan. Hindi siya talagang lahat.
Straightforward.
Sinabi niya sa amin.
Tsaka kung ano yung mga pwede niyang i-impart na wisdom.
Believe ako. Kaya yun yung something na sana ma-apply din natin sa atin. Sana maging ganun na din tayo kalaki. By the time na maganda-ganda na rin maging sales, ganyan.
Para sila naman ang dadalaw sa atin.
Yes. Pero yun, babawi tayo sa kanila.
Bawi tayo kasi grabe.
From
Hotel, food, transportation.
Literal, sabi, iwanan mo yung wallet mo. Siyempre ng Japan to,
Sinubukan
guys.
nga namin magbayad, nagalit sa amin.
Nagalit eh.
Parang insulto nung when we tried to pay for lunch. Yung singkit, lumaki yung mata niya eh. Sabi niya, no.
And see you on the next vlog. Let's go.
Sir.